So we have an interesting little pile of wood here. This is an example we're going to use to discuss everything we know about Waterlox. We could show you pictures of hardwood floors with Waterlox on it. We could show you furniture finished with Waterlox. But it's not going to be able to convey the beauty of this product. We can take pictures of it. Guys have been trying forever. Here's some tiger wood. Now, tiger wood is interesting. This is a South American wood. I know I'm getting off track, but anyway, I digress. But when we changed the angle of the viewing, the stripes changed color. Now, if you put a polyurethane on top of this wood, oh my gosh, you're going to lose like half of this sparkle and this effect for tiger wood. So, I mean, to me, Waterlox is the only product that should ever be put on tiger wood. Oh my gosh. How could you put anything else on? Now here's a crazy thing. If you're stuck on using something else, at least use the Waterlox for the first coat. Use the Waterlox for the first coat because it's going to pop this color. I mean, you see that. I mean, the tiger wood's beautiful on its own. And you can put a variety of oils here and they'll enhance that, but the oils will go away. Waterlox is a resin modified tung oil. It's polymerized, and so we have a hardening finish. It's as hard as poly, but it's doing it at the microscopic level down in the wood. It's not on top, not a piece of glass on top of the wood that a 60-pound dog can scratch. So my point is, as far as Waterlox is, if this is the best thing for tiger wood, because the way it pops the color, because of the way that it's so easy to apply. It's just a hardening oil. If you use a sealer finish alone, and key on those words, sealer finish. Waterlox original sealer finish is a one product does it all hardening oil for all of your hardwood floors. And so by putting the Waterlox original sealer finish, we see it here on a piece of firewood. Look what it did. Just this was split. This piece of walnut was just split, and we Waterloxed it. Now we buffed a little here and there, but we didn't sand it down. But we did sand on these edges, so we show how the Waterlox can enhance that natural beauty of the wood. If it does this on a piece of reclaimed walnut. This is Firewood Rescue. But man, isn't that pretty? Waterlox makes wood beautiful. Waterlox makes wood beautiful. You can put other finishes over Waterlox. It's a highly functioning sealer that can be used for problem wood like the tiger wood, like mahogany, like ipe, Brazilian walnut, like whatever this is. Looks like some more mahogany maybe. No, ipe, sorry. But all these hardwoods, if you put a plastic film on top of, if you're doing a hardwood floor with ipe, with any South American hard oily wood, you need to use Waterlox. There is no other first touch on the wood that will perform. There's no primer, there's no polyurethane sealer, there's nothing that your contractor may tell you works. There may be something sold at Sherwin-Williams or Home Depot or Lowe's, but it doesn't exist. Waterlox needs to be the first touch on all South American wood, and why not use it on everything? So basically our statement is Waterlox should be the first coat on every single hardwood floor. I'm going to give you the reasons why as we take a look at a couple more pieces of this wood and we talk about the finish a little more in detail. But Waterlox, again, being a hardening oil. Now this is a piece of rosewood, and what we want to show here is, you see how you still see some sanding marks, little texture in this wood, and that's what is so positive about Waterlox. It does not bury or cover up the surface texture.